Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this cute red character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 100. Did you know Numberblock 100 is made of 100 blocks? That is 10 groups of 10.
Start with one small little block. Nice and square.
100! Amazing! Let's start drawing. First, draw one big square rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A big square body, perfect!
Every step helps learning flow. Count together.
Now draw 10 vertical lines inside the rectangle. 1,
Every color, every line.
2,
Makes our number blocks all shine.
3,
Build the number
4,
blocks, stack them high. Touch the
5,
clouds, reach the sky. Draw the
6,
number blocks, bright and
7,
every picture
8,
turns to gold.
9,
Count them,
10.
them, watch them smile.
Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across.
Every mile.
10,
Choose a happy splash.
20,
Yellow, paint the corners nice and slow.
30,
Add some blue and then some green. Watch imagination
40,
grow. Every square becomes exciting.
50,
Every number has a face. Learning happens while
60,
we're drawing. Filled with laughter, filled with grace.
70,
Big numbers, small numbers.
80,
Can play. Learning,
90,
growing. Every
100. 100 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 100 has one big square eye. So unique. Draw one big rounded square for the eye outline. Nice and big, perfect. Inside the square, draw the eye. Now add the eye detail, the pupil. One square eye. Gorgeous. Now draw the happy smile. Numberblock 100 is always smiling. Inside the mouth, draw the teeth. Now draw the hands on both sides. Left hand, right hand. And the right hand holds a watch. Now draw the legs at the bottom. And finally, at the very top, write the number 100. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 100. I have one big square eye, totally unique. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eye pupil, black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear.
Every sleepy square. Brushes twirl like little dancers, painting colors everywhere. Golden sunshine, silver starlight floating.
Now pick up dark maroon. Spell dark maroon, D-A-R-K-M-A-R-O-O-N. Dark maroon. Color the eye outline, dark maroon. Color the smile outline, dark maroon. Color the hands, dark maroon. And the legs, dark maroon too. Deep and rich.
Watch the magic start to glow. Wave your colors high and low. See amazing pictures grow. Magic color splash. Swirl it, twirl it, round and round. Happy colors jump around. Every number block starts to shine. Every masterpiece looks divine. Paint with laughter.
Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the watch, yellow. A golden yellow watch, so stylish.
Sunny gold and apple green. Every shade becomes.
And now the final color. Pick up light red. Soft, beautiful light red. Spell light red, L-I-G-H-T-R-E-D. Light red. Color the whole body, light red. Every single one of those 100 blocks, light red.
Colors fill the air. Tiny artists love to see pictures full of fantasy. One bright sparkle. Two bright sparkles. Three bright bright sparkles, watch them fly. Every rainbow touches sky, every color has a chance. Every rainbow starts to dance. Magic colors flash. Eric glow it, watch it shine. Every color looks so fine. Wave your brush from side to side. Fill the page with joyful pride. Sing it together. Smile together. Learn together. Every day. Bright sparkling. The color.
And I always check my watch. I am made of 100 blocks.
Happy colors glow. Paint it bright. Paint it free. Every block is full of glee. Red and yellow, blue and green. The happiest colors ever seen. Wave your crayons, clap along. Every picture sings a song. One bright color meets another, making something fresh and new. Every little splash together creates a beautiful view. Tiny patterns, happy faces, color travels every place. Every number block is glowing with a cheerful shining face. Orange sparkles, purple beams, coloring our biggest dreams. Pink and teal, a silver light. Everything feels just right. Round and round the colors play. Brighter, brighter every day. Paint with kindness, paint with cheer. Happy moments always near. Every number block joins the fun. Together shining everyone. We sing hooray. Let's make art in our own way. Fill each square, big or small. There's enough for one and all. Love together, learn together. Every single
10 blocks, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Done. And done.
Keep your colors ready. We'll have another colorful event.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.